Previously on Sailing Alma. Shaft just got loose, our engine stopped working. There's barely any wind in the middle of the ICW. Alma gets hauled out after the shaft issue, getting an upgrade in the process. We splash her back in and take her out for a test run, still sailing like a dream. Coming up, we get some unexpected rough weather, leading to this. Our engine started smoking. I don't know what we're gonna do. We continue making our way up north. Crossing the Albemarle is the next step. Predicted to be 10 to 12 knots of wind on a beam reach, but Mother Nature had her own plan.
Blowing about 22 knots right on the beam. We're getting a lot of spray. Now we're crossing the sound, and it is ugly here. All stations, this is United States Coast Guard. Start regular scheduled marine information broadcast. Listen channel 22 Alpha, frequency 157.1 megahertz. Out.
Wind picked up to 27 knots, making very little progress. I was inside with Aria while Yulian handled the boat. The swell felt much bigger than what the camera picks up. After 3 hours of this, we were only halfway when our engine started to smoke. At first, we thought our boat was on fire, but it was overheating so bad the paint was melting. We turned back around, using the wind alone to power us back to the anchorage. This was a problem we were not expecting to face.
Okay, Alma. Good luck. I hope that you have a safe tow over this wind.
Also too. See you guys soon.
All right. Escape plan back to 16.
On my back.
So, after all the repairs we did, unfortunately, our engine started smoking, and it's just not working at all. We're getting towed by sea tow into a marina. I'm also sick. Julian's sick. Trying to keep the baby healthy. She's good so far. We'll see what happens next. I don't know what we're gonna do. Feeling defeated, but powering through to get this situation handled, we got towed into a nearby marina that had a mechanic available. We found out that the head gasket was blown. We were unaware that there was a pinhole on the exhaust manifold leaking the coolant out of the engine, and our engine did not have an overheating alarm built in. This was a huge setback and really was disheartening to hear, but what matters most is that we made it safe and sound to the marina. Hey guys, right now we are in Columbia, North Carolina in Cypress Cove Marina. Last time we had some serious engine problems, or our engine started smoking, So we are in the middle of figuring this out. We're going to be staying here for quite some time so the mechanic can fix this engine problem. We are going to take advantage that we are at a marina and on a dock, so we're going to do some much needed projects. The first project that we're working on is a sunshade because it is incredibly hot, so hopefully this will help with the heat. Let's go ahead and check out how those projects are going.
We are making some shades from the top and the back. Just when the sun is in an angle and we're sailing, it really cooks my neck, or anybody who's sailing that hill. Just gonna make a nice shade to avoid that to happen.
Hopefully we'll get not everything, but most of the job done. We'll see how it goes.
Keeping our heads up, we look at the bright side of this unfortunate situation. Before, we were in constant motion, going from point A to B. Now we are forced to slow down and appreciate what's right in front of us. Enjoying time as a family, embracing the beautiful nature that surrounds us, and remembering why we chose this lifestyle. Sometimes it's about the places you end up, the people you meet along the way, and taking the precious time you have to cherish those little moments. We ended up in a peaceful marina with wonderful facilities and the kindest people. You can either let bad situations get you down or fight to overcome them and become a stronger, better person. We choose to stay positive because what matters most is right here. Join us next week where we give you a full tour of our once abandoned boat after a complete 4.5-year refit. We'll show you the outside and interior. Click that bell to be notified once it's up. This is one you don't want to miss. Coming up on Sailing Alma, we take advantage that we will be in North Carolina for a while and embrace the wonderful nature and beautiful places this state has to offer. There are a lot more adventures coming your way.